Hello everyone, my name is Bilal Chaglani and I am going to give you a demo of how our WhatsApp APIs works with the HubSpot integration today and also give you a glimpse about our dashboard and how you can send and receive messages. So to begin with, for those who don't know what WhatsApp APIs are, WhatsApp APIs is a powerful tool built by WhatsApp for businesses to manage send the incoming and sending of messages by more than one team members. And this is usually done on a WhatsApp shared inbox provided by BotSpace. And you can also build integrations with CRM tools like HubSpot. So if, in the screen behind, you can see that this is the dashboard that we will provide you once we have WhatsApp APIs approved. There are majorly three parts in our dashboard. Firstly, the inbox, where you can send and receive messages. Second is the templates. I'll explain to you where we use these. And third is broadcast, where you can reach out to a mass audience. The plus point of WhatsApp APIs is that you don't have to make the customer save your number like you have in WhatsApp personal and mobile applications. You can broadcast to anyone who does not have your number saved as well. And you can do transactional as well as promotional messages. So let's go to the inbox and I'm going to add my contact and my number. Okay, my contact already exists. So let's speak about template messages. Template messages are basically pre-approved WhatsApp messages. These messages are used when you want to send a message to a customer who has not sent you a message in the last 24 hours. So I'm going to select templates. On the right side, you will see that there are a couple of messages that have been approved. So let's just take how's the weather today? Post message. I have WhatsApp opened here as well with me. So okay, so you can see that I received the message right here. I can reply and we can start a communication. So it happens instantly. You can see that now the message bar has opened up and I can type and I can send any message that I like. Okay. Not only this, you can assign the conversation to any of your agents right here. Also move the chat to done from here. On the right side, you have the option to add labels. This is for easier search or whenever you want to segment your database, you can use labels for the same reason. And on the right side, you can also add notes about a customer so for future references. You will also see one more box right here, which is an integration with HubSpot. So my contact already exists in the CRM tool of BotSpace. So you will see that all the information is filled in right here. So if I click and open in HubSpot, I can see the contact information inside HubSpot right here. And also the conversation we just had has been logged inside HubSpot too. If I want, I can change my details right here. So I'm going to change my name and save. Any information in the properties that I change will all be reflected in the WhatsApp inbox, but you can also access the inbox from HubSpot itself. So if you click on any of message, you can click on reply and send a message directly, or you can click on the message on WhatsApp button on the right side to do this. So if I click over here, you will see that the name has been updated right here, the first name and the last name, and the conversation can be picked up from here itself. So I can just send maybe an emoji and send it right here. You can also record audio files and receive audio files. All document files are also accepted. Okay, so the second part of the integration with HubSpot is the workflow automation. This is very useful when you want to send automated, personalized messages to customers. So for example, you want to send all the customers who sign up, you want to send them a message automatically welcoming them to your company. So you can do that right here. I already have one workflow created. Just gonna delete this. So for workflows, what you have to do is you can set a trigger. This trigger can be a deal trigger or a contact trigger. After that, you can add an action item. This action item is by BotSpace and it's called send WhatsApp message. Here you have to enter the template message details. The template message details can be found from our dashboard by going to the template section. This is where you can apply for those pre-approved messages to WhatsApp, and once you send it for application, they will be in the review stage, and after they have been reviewed, they will move to the approved or the rejected state. Okay, so I'm going to take an example of this car template that I have approved. I'm going to select the template ID to paste it here. And you don't need to fill this. This is only for our Twilio integration that we have. You can directly paste the variables. So for templates, the variables are written as 1 and 2 in curly braces, opening and closing. And you can have in that sequential order as many as variables as you want. Okay, so here we have two. One is the first name and second is the name of the car. So for first name, we're going to select the property available inside HubSpot, that is first name. That way the message seems more personalized, and you can just take a car name and save it right here. Okay, once this is done, you can review and publish, and all the phone numbers that end with 2767 will be sent the message instantly. That is mainly it. This is the workflow automation feature. If you also want to do a mass broadcast, I will take you through that feature as well. So I'm going to go to inbox. I'm going to add another label over here, say bulk label. When I go in the broadcast section, I can create a new broadcast. Say video demo. Say I want to invite everyone for a Zoom link, an event that is happening on Zoom right before the call. I can either import the list through a CSV file or maybe just select a filter. I'm going to select for today, say bulk label, and that's me. So one contact has been selected. Fill in the details right here, customer name, and say workshop. I can either schedule this broadcast or I can send it right away. I'm going to send it right now. Yeah, so let's go on my phone and see if I've got this message. So you can see that the message has been received, and once this is done, you will get the full analytics of the broadcast that you've just sent. So you can see that you will be able to see the percentage of people the message was sent to, delivered to, read, and replied by. And if you want to get in touch with them, you can just click on message here and respond to their replies as well. Yeah, that's mainly it. If you have any queries, you can reach out to us on our website. If you go to BotSpace, you can just send us a WhatsApp message and we'll respond to you as soon as possible. Have a good day. Thank you.